So this is a brand new, new model from SRS Absolute 4G dash camera, a smart 4G cloud dash camera with better lens. This is side, this is bottom, and here is the model number S01G and contents. So I will show you. This is better lens, better camera, improved functionality, improved safety for kid tracking, and occupant tracking or cab monitoring, in fleet monitoring with lifetime free application to track remotely when car is running or idle or parked since long, as well as a cloud subscription, CCTV integration, smart TV console integration, lot many things. So this is the box. You can see this is box of accessories. So there are many items, and this is the main screen. You can see this is the brand new device. This is embedded with two cameras. I will show you. And here you can see it comes with user manual. You can see SRS Absolute, this smart cloud 4G DashCam. So this is the main item. Let me open it. So here is the device. You can see the build quality of it. This is very high quality camera, dash camera, 4G enabled. You can see this camera, it's adjustable front or back. This will you can install in this way, just to align this way. You can install into the windshield, and it comes with the accessories also. It have, you can see, one camera is for front viewing, high quality, you can see, and this is for inside viewing. Also it is having the infrared. So it is infrared, so whenever there is no light or there is a high bright high headlight where reflection comes, then automatically the camera mode will change to black and white for infrared. Or if there is no light, then also you can see inside. So this is useful for monitoring, and it comes with many accessories. So this is the if you see, this is the front side. Here you can see power button, and here you can see direct click button to on demand click pictures or videos. And there are 3 LEDs. There is no screen, so there will not be any fear factor for getting recorded or getting tracked. And this is for reset button. So only 3 LED will show you the status of the 4G or connectivity, all these things. Here you can see a speaker, and in between mic is also there. This is for inside camera. You can see everything is have screen guard also, and you can adjust up to this much 45-degree angles. All right, and this is the side. Here you can see SRS Absolute, and there are 2 slots. One slot is for micro SD card, this one, and this one is for SIM card slot. So you can insert any 4G enabled SIM card for remote viewing with both the lifetime free application as well as corporate cloud subscription also. So both are separate services. So, and this is the back side. You can see the build quality of it. This is very high quality device with embedded. So you do not need to get it installed through any mechanic, so to avoid the mechanic pollution. So here there are lot many devices. Component comes with it. Into the main device, you can see this is the hardware connecting module, and here is the GPS connection wire. So everything can be done by self, DIY, and only one module need to be connected. No need external installation bureaucracy. Here you can see it is the hardware. So into this hardware you can see there are 2 fuses which we need to remove. So every guideline will be provided to the customer, and here are 2 fuses which we need to remove from the fuse box, and we need to just insert it. That's it. and this is the mode point where we need to insert in any unpainted metallic place like power steering or somewhere. Once you open the fuse box cap, you will see there are point and any all connection taken from there. So there will be bolt where we need to tight it, that's it, and we need to replace two fuses, ACC and VCC. This is the hardware comes with it. Also it comes with GPS device, so you can remotely view the, you can see on the components. SR is absolute original components. These are, you can see this is the SRS absolute GPS device, and everything real-time tracking can be seen on the mobile phone, Android or iOS, as well as cloud services, CCTV integration, smart TV console, as well as web PC or laptop interface. All camera at one by one, also at once, also in dual channel transmission mode as well, along with the cloud subscription. It also comes with here you can see the panic button. So panic button you can place anywhere, so that kid is in transport and he is not feeling comfortable, he can just press this, so that immediate picture will be clicked and sent to the registered mobile number, who are not necessarily required to be near the car. They can be at anywhere across the globe. So immediately this dash camera will click a picture from inside and outside and will send to the parents, so that they can have evidence and they can immediately check live what exactly is happening. This is useful for the case where continuous monitoring is not possible, means cannot monitor all the time. In that case, one small trigger, this is the trigger button, which can be used by the kid or by the occupants inside the car, so that current video, photo, location, and the coordinates, timestamp, type of this SOS, everything can be sent to the registered mobile number, as well as to the cloud server also, in both either it's a free cloud service, as well as the subscription based corporate services also. This will be used into both. This also, you can see here are the heat dissipation points, and here you can see the two slots are there, so both the slots can be sealed. So it all comes with the box. So you can see this, this is the side to side cap, along with the screws inside, and SIM ejection point. So it accepts the micro SIM into it and micro SD into it. So you can insert the both SIM card and micro SD card. You can tight it with two screws, and then you can seal it so that nobody can open it unwillingly, unless you know it. And prior to that, whenever anyone is trying to open or tamper it, before that video will be automatically clicked and stored, and alert will be sent to you, so that you will have pictures and you can see it live also, using free app as well as corporate app. In corporate app you can playback as well for the past recordings. So this is the clip where we attach in this is you need to stick into the windshield, and we need to just click it. Okay, this is the way we need to stick it into the windshield, and then one click it is locked. Now if you want to remove the dash camera, no problem, you need to, this will be permanently clicked, so dash camera just slide towards the right, it will be out. If you are installing in this way is ideal, so you will have to slide left and then it will be out. So this is the clip, this is the item. So this is a very high advanced lens, and this is the infrared, which makes it very easy and to track even there is no light inside the cabin, black and white, and as well as colored vision also when there is a light. Okay, so this is high brand device, and this can be ordered through SRS Absolute website, official website, as well as Amazon as of now. So this is the item. This is the brand new with very high quality lens, front as well as rear, and there are a lot many feedback along with it. It comes with a panic button, which is very useful, and all the accessories which can be installed by self. There is no need to engage any external mechanic who always try to sell their own material and they misguide to the people. So this is the small video on this one of the latest product of SRS Absolute. So hope you like it. If you have any comments with regard to the cloud service, with regard to the device, please let us know. We'll clarify, and we'll help you getting it clarified. So this is the end of the video. Hope you like it. If you like this video, please subscribe to the channel, and for any queries, all the raw videos will be available on the server into Experience Center section, and for any queries you can just comment, and we will try to solve all the queries as well as the resolution to the verified customers. Thank you.